My name is Sharon Boles and I studied the MA in Leadership and Advocacy in the early years, and I graduated last year. I'm currently the manager and have been the manager of Sligo County Childcare Committee for the last number of years. Working full-time, it would have been very difficult to complete a 2-year Masters, but with the course here we were able to go online each week and undertake our lectures. They were set on a Tuesday evening between 7 and 9, so the flexibility was great. You could get home and sort yourself out and sit yourself down to undertake your lecture. Another element of that was that the lectures were all recorded as well, so if something came up for you, you could go back on and watch the recorded lecture. My favourite part to the course was the whole area of linking policy to practice. I work every day with the early years sector, and that's hugely important for me to be able to have that space and that time to really reflect on policy and how policy is implemented within the sector. The sector is moving and changing. We're a relatively young sector, and with that brings huge policy developments. This course enables us to engage with that policy change, and it's important for the sector. The workforce development plan is currently moving towards a graduate-led sector, and it's very important that ATU Sligo has the Masters programme here for the sector. It's been hugely positive. Its flexibility is fantastic, so it enables people who are actually working in the sector to undertake the programme at their own time and their own pace. The lecturers here I found amazing. They were very engaged in the early years sector, and I think that kind of reflects that they're not all academics. Most of the lecturers here actually came from a practice base, and that really shows itself in the quality of their skills. They're very engaged with that reciprocal learning, understanding that they're engaging with the sector and that they can learn so much from the grassroots. Undertaking this MA for me was a hugely positive experience. It can be quite daunting going back to a level 9 programme, but the support from the college, from the lecturers, and also from my colleagues participants on the course was fantastic. I engaged with people from all around the country, working in different areas within the early years and school age sector. It was very, very positive. I would highly recommend it to anyone. Check the course out. I think you'll be hugely surprised.